Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess with black. While white has the advantage of the first move, black can achieve a strong position by focusing on key principles. We will explore how to develop your pieces effectively, control the center of the board, and create counterattacking opportunities. This guide will help you build a solid foundation for playing as black, turning a slight disadvantage into a chance for victory. In the opening, black's primary goals are to control the center, develop pieces, and secure the king. Popular choices like the Caro-Can defense offer a solid pawn structure and easy development, while the Sicilian defense creates asymmetrical, dynamic positions. Aim to bring out your knights and bishops, and castle your king within the first 7 to 10 moves. This strong foundation sets you up for a successful middle game. During the mid-game, black should focus on improving piece activity and identifying white's weaknesses. Look for opportunities to create pawn breaks, especially in the center, to open lines for your rooks and bishops. If white attacks on one side of the board, consider a counterattack on the opposite flank or in the center. Always strive for harmonious piece coordination and maintain king safety throughout this complex phase. In the endgame, the king becomes an active fighting piece. Bring it closer to the center. Focus on pushing any passed pawns you have, as they are powerful tools for promotion. If you have a material advantage, simplify the position by exchanging pieces, but be careful with pawn trades if you are trying to win. Always be vigilant for potential stalemates, especially in king and pawn endgames, to secure your victory or a draw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.